She was very pretty.
How are you?
Oh, I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm fine, really. How are you?
Pretty bird.
Yes, you are a very pretty bird. But let's get...
Hi. 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 Shut up!
You! Why do I have to shut up?
Be quiet!
You be quiet!
You shut up! Are you sad?
I'm not sad. Are you sad? Alright, we're gonna sing a song. You wanna sing a song? Here we go. Very nice. Very nice.
I love you. Midterm. We'll sort it out. Stop it. Give me this. Fuck's sake. What are you doing? Shh. What? What?
Phone's ringing. You need to answer that. I think it's a telemarketer. Come over and grab it. What do you say?
Shut up!
You're a great singer. Yes, you are. Oh, boy.
Okay, here, you can have it. Here, you can have it back. Kai, here, you can have it back. Here, you don't want it anymore? Huh? Throwing a fit? Here. Yeah, there. Calm down. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Hi. Hi, baby. Hello.
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 Hi, baby.
Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wow, good job. Happy birthday.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hi, Amazon.
Red. Good boy. Good boy. Salvador, yellow. Good boy. Very clever. And then we'll put a few out, shall we? Yellow. Good boy. This one. Blue. Red. Good boy.
Why are you hiding? What's wrong? Are you having a bad morning? Oh, it's okay. He's so mad. I don't know what happened. What did I do? All right. Sorry.